Introducing the SwitchBot. Now you can control any switch remotely from your smartphone, smartwatch, or the internet. Turning on your bedside lamp has never been so easy. Get your morning coffee self-served. Never miss your favorite TV show. Remotely turn on or off your computer whenever you need it. Feed your lovely pet while you're away at the touch of a smartphone button. With the SwitchBot, everything is done using one single, simple click. Enjoy more time curled up in bed and let the SwitchBot do your busy work. SwitchBot is equipped with a 3M VHB tape. Just tape it and you're done. No additional tools required. The SwitchBot works with your smartphone or your smartwatch. No need to worry about multiple bots. Our smartphone app can handle every bot at once. Thanks to our patent-pending design, the SwitchBot can relay commands to multiple bots, even when your smartphone is out of Bluetooth range. SwitchHub, it enables the SwitchBot to connect with the internet. No hassle, no mess, for greater convenience and streamlined functionality. It takes one switch to do everything and make your life that much easier. SwitchBot supports any IFTTT event that gives you freedom to set your own custom rules. Get complete wireless control of all your outlets and switches. The SwitchBot is always at your service. Keep everything under your own control with the SwitchBot and make your life that much easier, better, smarter.
This is Airblock, a one-of-a-kind, programmable, transformable drone and hovercraft. Think you've seen a drone like this? Think again. Airblock is unlike any drone you've seen before. Start with individual magnetic pieces and 15 seconds later, you have a drone. Control the drone through the app via Bluetooth and take to the sky in no time. Airblock is amazing, not just because it's entertaining, but also because it's educational. It teaches kids and big kids about coding and aerodynamics. Use pre-programmed maneuvers within the app. Just drag and drop into action. Airblock caters to every type of drone pilot. Want to try your own moves? Program your own aerial stunts right in the app. Have some cool ideas of your own? Airblock allows you to DIY so you can build your very own creation from scratch. With Airblock, you're not just constrained to the air. Take to the land or sea by transforming your drone into a hovercraft and hover over smooth ground or even over water. Rookie killing your vibe and your drone? Totally fine. Airblock is tough, so you can fly and bump into obstacles without fear. The engineered plastic foam makes Airblock durable, so it's safe to fly indoors or out. Snap into action and keep flying. So who's behind this awesome product? We are. And who are we? MakeBlock. We've launched and shipped 4 products on Kickstarter and have grown from just 3 people to a team of 200 people today. We've got 400,000 users and still growing. In the past 4 years, we've established ourselves as the company that encourages STEM-based education through our DIY robotics and products. We're passionate about bringing DIY robotics and STEM-based programming and education to folks like you. We need your help to get Airblock off the ground, so back to the point. You want a programmable, transformable, crashable drone? We'll make it easy for you. Back our Kickstarter campaign. And the best part? It's affordable. Because let's face it, everyone should have Airblock. Support the cause and get your own. Airblock. Code to fly.
Introducing BATBAND, the first high-fidelity bone conduction headphone. A truly groundbreaking product, which makes your social lifescape compatible with your private soundscapes. Place it around the back of your head, pair it to a mobile device, and enjoy the sound like never before.
Hi, we're Studio Banana Things, and we're back on Kickstarter. Our dream with the BATBAND was to create a truly surprising and unconventional sound experience.
BATBAND talks directly to your inner ear, freeing your outer ear so you can stay connected with the world that surrounds you. We've been working for almost a year on a design solution that embodies the compelling qualities of bone conduction sound. The result is a discreet, intuitive, and minimalistic product.
Hello, John speaking.
Hi John, have you arrived home?
And to control its features from your fingertips.
At Studio Banana Things, we focus on day-to-day challenges faced by people on the go. BATBAND was conceived with you and your busy lifestyle in mind.
After multiple prototypes and conversations with manufacturers, all we need now is the initial capital to begin production rollout.
And with your Kickstarter support, we can't wait to make this dream reality. Thank you for supporting this project.
Meet the Kitchy pizza cutter wheel, the pizza slicer that revolutionized the way we cut our pizza. It has a sharp blade that ensures clean slices, even for the crispiest pizzas. Its integrated, comfortable non-slip handle fits right into the palm of your hand. Unlike traditional pizza cutters, it doesn't let grease or toppings get in the way of the perfect cut. It has a brilliant design that protects your hands from cuts and allows to safely store it when you're done. Now that's a rocker! Did I mention it's really handy? The sleek design allows you to firmly grip and slice with ease. The coolest thing about it is that it cuts more than just pizza. You can use it for greens, pita, herbs, pasta, pizza, veggies, onions.
What?
Have it your way with the Kitchy pizza cutter. Plus, it's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Thoughtfully engineered from the blade to its handle. This little pizza cutter covers all the bases, and we will outslice and outlast cheaper models. Cut pizza like a pro with the Kitchy pizza cutter wheel.
Bottle caps, for all those non-twist-off metal caps. Pull tabs, just insert the hook, lift the tab, and then pull the lid back. Bottle tops. The opposite side of the bottle cap opener is perfect for gripping smaller bottle tops to effortlessly open them. Safety seals, where the 6-in-1 multi-opener comes together, is the perfect place to grip a safety seal for easy removal. Jar lids. The non-slip grip at the big end of this figure 8 works beautifully to open jar lids with less effort. And finally, a bag opener. Just clamp the opener onto a bag and slide it along the sealed edge to slice it open. And like most Progressive products, it's dishwasher safe. Progressive 6-in-1 multi-opener isn't just for my kitchen. I keep one in the car for picnics, camping, and car trips. It's a tool for all occasions.